Rectangles. A parallelogram with right angles is a rectangle. Because the sides form right angles, an altitude of a rectangle is the length of a side adjacent to the base. Note that any side of a rectangle can be considered a base. Also, the diagonals in a rectangle are congruent. Let's look at some examples using rectangles. Example 1. Given rectangle MNOP with the length of side ON equal to 5 inches and the length of side PO equal to 8 inches, find the length of a diagonal. Because the figure is a rectangle, we know that angle PON is a right angle. Therefore, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the length of the diagonal. This gives us a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a is equal to 8 inches, the length of side PO, b is equal to 5 inches, the length of side ON, and c is equal to the unknown length of the diagonal. Solving for c, we get c is equal to plus or minus the square root of 89. But since c represents a length, we must discard the negative square root of 89. Thus the diagonal has a length of the square root of 89 inches, or approximately 9 4/10 inches. Example 2. Determine the length of the diagonals of rectangle A, B, C, D. If the length of diagonal AC is 7x meters and the diagonal DB is x plus 6 meters. Since we know that the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent, we can write the equation 7x is equal to x plus 6. Solving for x, we find that x is equal to 1. Substituting 1 for each x in the expressions that represent the lengths of the diagonals, we calculate the lengths of the diagonals to be 7 meters each. Example 3. Determine the dimensions of rectangle RSTU. Given the length of side RT is 2x plus 1 feet, the length of side RU is x plus 1 feet, and the length of side UT is 2x feet. Because we know that the figure is a rectangle, we know that angle RUT is a right angle, which allows us to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length and width of the rectangle. Thus, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a is x plus 1 feet, the length of side RU, b is 2x feet, the length of side UT, and c is 2x plus 1 feet, the length of the diagonal RT. Solving for x, we see that x is 0 or x is 2. If we substitute 0 for x in each expression that represents a length or width, we find side RU has a length of 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1 foot, and side UT has a length of 2 times 0, which is 0 feet. Since side UT has 0 length, we must discard this value because no rectangle is formed. Next, substitute 2 for each x in the expressions that represents the length or width. We then find that the length of side RU is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 feet, and the length of side UT is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4 feet. Therefore, the dimensions of rectangle RSTU are 3 feet by 4 feet.